Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan and this is the part 3, which is the last video series how to delete the record in a single view page. After reloading the browser, now I'm selecting the record. I want to delete the record con, delete. Notice we got the confirm message, delete the record, click OK. See, the con record has been deleted from this table. Let's check in the table employee in the database. In this employee table, the con record is available right now. I'm executing the statement, and after execute the statement of this employee table, notice in the results there is no any con row. That's it. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. In my previous videos, the part 1 and part 2, I have showed how to insert, display and update the records from database in a single view page. Now in this video, I will show you how to delete the records from this table. To delete the record of the specific employee record from this table, I need the new link button, which is a delete. Let's add a link button control to this column. If you missed my previous videos, part 1 and part 2, how to insert, display and update records in a single view page, at the end of this video tutorial, you'll find the links of those videos. So let's add the delete link button control into this table. Now in this index.cshtml page, so let's add the new link button, href link button, which is delete. And the class I'm giving, let's check the output, the delete link button is added or not into this table. I'm reloading the browser link. And here we got a new output after adding this link button, delete. Now when I click the edit link button, notice the delete link button also is visible. Let's make this delete link button in the invisible mode when we are updating the records. Let's cancel this one, switch to the coding part, come to the bottom in the jquery snippet, in the edit, when I click the edit, row.find between double quotes dot, I'm adding the class name of the link button control, delete, which is delete. Let's add the delete dot hide. So when I click cancel button, I want to show the delete button. So here row dot find between double quotes dot delete, which is the class name of the link button, delete, show method. That's it. Let's check the results. I'm reloading the browser link. Let's click the edit link button. Notice when we are in the update mode, the delete link button is invisible. So when I click cancel, it's showing the delete link button. And now let's make the functionality. When I click this delete link button, I want to delete the records from this table as well as from this employee table. So switch to the coding part, controller. In this controller, let's create a new action result, public action result emp delete. Now in this emp delete function, I'm adding the int emp delete object. So we're deleting the employee records based on the selecting employee ID. Sample DB entities as d is equals to new sample DB entities, which is the connection string employee, and here the employee is a entity model name or the table name. Emp delete del is equals to, it's an object, Let's write the code from x in sd dot employees where x dot id double equals to, I'm adding this object emp delete, select x dot first or default method. Once we select the record to delete, now sd dot employees dot remove method emp del object. After that, let's change the save changes method. Return new empty result. That's it. It's a simple code to delete the record from the database. Now switch to the index view page. Let's write the jQuery snippet to delete the record. Delete dollar, when double quotes, I'm adding the body element dot on. In this on method, the first one is the event. It's a click event, clicking the delete button. So the event is a click, comma, between double quotes. The target is the table ID, which is a employee table ID. The delete link button is in the table. So I'm adding the ID of this table, which is emp table hash, and from this table I'm selecting the delete link button. So we have a class name for the delete link button, which is a delete. Copy this one, paste it. So when we are adding classes in the jQuery, we have to prefix with dot, comma, function I'm closing this method. The first step, I want to display the small alert message when I want to delete the record. So if, which is a confirm, delete the record. I'm creating a variable delete row is equals to dollar this dot closest method between double quotes I'm adding tr semicolon. And now the next step, I'm creating a new variable to delete the selected rows of this tr. Variable emp delete is equals to del row dot. In this find method, I'm adding the span tag because in this table I'm displaying the records in the span. Span dot html method. So after that, dollar dot ajax let's close this ajax here. Type is equals to post. I'm posting the data to delete the record. URL colon, the URL is equals to the forward slash. First I'm adding the controller name, which is a emp, the path, again forward slash. I'm adding the action result method name, which is a emp delete, comma, data colon, between single quotes. Now between these curly braces I'm adding the object name emp delete from this emp delete function, colon, single quotes, plus plus, Now in this plus plus I am adding the emp delete, this variable here, comma, content type, colon, between double quotes, application / json, semicolon, cassette is equals to utf-8, comma, data type, json, the last attribute success colon del row, this object I'm removing this tr, table row, dot remove method. Sorry, it's not semicolon here. That's it, we have finished the complete coding part to delete the selected record from the table. Let's check the output. I'm reloading the browser. After reloading the browser, now I'm selecting the record. I want to delete the record con, delete. Notice we got the confirm message, delete the record, click OK. See, the con record has been deleted from this table. Let's check in the table employee in the database. In this employee table, the con record is available right now. I'm executing the statement, and after execute the statement of this employee table, notice in the results there is no any con row. That's it.